Hello guys, you are watching Vijay's Classroom. So as you know that TCS Ninja to Digital Conversions and the Wings 1 examination is being happened. So we are conducting this session to know the well prepared with the assessment. So we are conducting the sessions with the Technical Tech 12 Selenium. So we are covering the Selenium previous year questions and most important MCQ question. So if you need, then please watch the video till the end. So in the previous video we are discussing about 13 MCQ question, then we are covering the 14. So what is the Selenium IDE? So Selenium IDE, Selenium Integrated Distributed Environment, Selenium Integrated Development Environment, Selenium Integrated Discrepancy Environment. So the correct option is Selenium Integrated Development Environment. So option B is the correct answer. Then, number 15. Which Selenium component allows to record the and playback the script? So Selenium IDE, WebDriver, Selenium Remote Control, Selenium Grid. So for this question, correct answer is Selenium IDE. So Selenium IDE component allows to record the playback the script. So number 16. So which of the Selenium component is also known as Selenium 1? So which of the component is known as Selenium 1? It is very much important question. So the option is Selenium IDE, Selenium Remote Control, WebDriver, Selenium Grid. So the correct option is Selenium Remote Control. Then number 17. Does Selenium RC supports the record of the playback features just like Selenium IDE? No, Selenium IDE does not play features. Then the now 18 questions. So Selenium RC support which of the architecture, means the event driven architecture, client server architecture, or layered architecture. So Selenium RC support IDE follow the client server architecture. So option B is the correct answer. So thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.